Hello guys, it has indeed been a while since I've done a Xara review, but this review is a little special. This is the Xara Cloud review. So if you go to Xara.com, you'll be greeted with the Xara Cloud website instead of the traditional website where you see a lot of the Xara software like the Web Designer Suite and such. Xara and Magix are a company that's together, but Magix has taken over the software, and then Xara is now focusing on the cloud. Now with the Xara Cloud, you're able to make, as it says here, create stunning presentations, stunning documents. And if you've used any other online software tools such as Canva, it's pretty similar. But of course, I do like Xara products. I've been using them for a while. And that's not to, I try to be as unbiased as possible when saying that. So what I'm going to do first, before I get into any of the skill sets or showing you what's inside, is to show you the pricing. So when you first sign up, you'll have 30 days. That's 30 days of a premium trial, so you'll be able to get all of the features. But one thing I like to do before I get started is to show my audience, those who are looking, what you are expected to pay once you finish the free trial. And so as you can see here, you'll be able to get the starter pack, which has beautiful templates, and you can read all of this. You can pause your screen. I won't spend too much time on that, but you'll be able to get the bang for your buck if you are in a team. The most popular one is the premium. Just thought I'd throw that out there. So now I'm going to jump into what you've been waiting for, a demonstration. So once you're logged into cloud.izara.com, that's what it'll redirect to once you do Xara.com. You'll see first the interface here. First I'm going to show you where I am logged in under my Google Drive account, because what happens when you save any designs, you can have it to your cloud drive. Some other options are with Dropbox and then Microsoft's cloud option as well. Let's see. So I'm going to go back to the home interface, and as you see, you have various desktop publishing tools or things you can use for social media, like business cards, presentations, Facebook, various things. So if you are a social media star, novice, beginner, whatever you are, you have a lot of options here to help you to market a product, market your brand. One thing I'm going to go ahead and go into is, let's see, I'm going to go into just Instagram. And one of the cool things and one of the newer features here from this is the ability to use the text, use the image colors on the text. And I'll show you how to do that here in a minute, because the way I may be saying it may not be the way it is supposed to be, but I'll start with this template and better show you. So once this loads up, I'll explain it better. So once it loads up, you'll be greeted with a little sidebar here with each of the stories that's here. There are 5 stories here. So that means that you can have 5 stories that you can already have created and then ready to deploy on your Instagram stories. Now, this background picture here, or this photo, I'll be able to take the theme colors from this photo and automatically adjust it to this area where the text is. So what you do is you can click on the photo, make sure that the properties icon is selected. So that's selected. Then go to photo colors, get theme colors from current image. Once you do this, this should change. So there you go. To demonstrate it further, what I'll do is just get another photo. And the way that you can do that is by selecting the replace button. And if you have an image on your local or cloud drive or from a URL, that's cool. I love to use stock images. So what I'm going to do is just use a stock image, and I'm just going to just type in sky. So anything that's related to a sky will come up. Which one of these looks pretty cool to use? I'm just going to use this one. And so next I'm going to go here, click on the image. I have property selected. I'm going to go to my photo colors, get theme colors, and so it takes the theme colors from this document, which you can see kind of here, I guess, whatever algorithm there is, it selects that spectrum of colors, kind of like here, over here on the right, and it gathers it from the image. So that's pretty cool. Like similar tools like Canva, you're able to go in with Xara Cloud in this Instagram story template and change the text. You can change the text, you can insert text. So if you want to insert text, you hit the plus sign, click here, and whatever kind of text you want to bring in, you're able to do so like that. Okay. So I have a text button in there. If I want to bring in an image, I can just select the image, and there's that image. And so I'm kind of just freestyling this. This isn't scripted or anything. I'm just trying to show you some of the things that you can do. So let's see what's in the settings. So in the settings, you have some keyboard shortcuts you can set up. You can start your tour. This is where you'll be able to sign up if you want to go in full screen mode. And say you're ready to deploy this design. It says you'll get a share link once it's published, and you'll be able to share that way. I did see something else. Share editing. So it says that there's an error. I'm not sure why that is, but I'm guessing that if you want to collab with somebody, maybe you can share that with them, maybe by email. I'm not sure. Over here you can open. I won't save any of this since I was doing what I wanted to do with that. Then you can open up a new design from that way. This gear setting is just a smaller subset of what was on the other actual design page. And so my takeaways from this is, if you are into any kind of social media, Facebook covers, Instagram stories, you'll be able to use this to kind of get you some designs together. You'll be able to put those designs together and edit stock images. If you don't like to use the stock images that's within Xara, I recommend using something like unsplash.com. I think that the Xara online tool uses Pixabay or Pixelbay. Any of those are cool to use. The introduction just kind of shows you some of the things that you're able to do. So you're able to even play with smart shapes as well, and kind of move things how you want to. You can control various aspects of it. So there you go. Pretty cool. And thickness with the green one. So if you need it thicker, so I got it thicker now. And then say I want to bring it out more, I can do that. Just various little things here. And if you need to link this to a URL, just different properties, you can kind of read these things on the side. If you're familiar with any of the Xara's products, you'll be able to really get this. But this is your first time. It's very user friendly, and you'll be able to start editing or creating in no time. So this is Spears Computer World with a look at the Xara Cloud. You're able to create cool documents and presentations. So if you have anything that you want to see, please be able, number one, to subscribe, and secondly, drop something in the comments and I will do a video on it if you want to see me do it. Spears Computer World signing out.